Okay, so here's a demo of the Providence rest home and the intercom system. So there's the gate and here's the intercom. So you arrive here with your car and you push the button and you wait for a response.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can you open for me? And then he opens the gate, and that's from his cell phone. And there he is standing over there doing it. Okay, so here's the installed device.
Okay, can we stick it on there so it doesn't move around?
If you want to talk to somebody, you click on there, and now you can talk. And you can hear the voice coming back. And if you want to open the gate, you just push that button over there.
You think I'm going to be needed for
Or
an hour?
you can push the remote. Where's the remote?
The remote?
Yeah.
It's in here.
Or you can push the remote button, which is this one over here. And you can program any button that you want to do, anything you want it to do. So that works together with it.